Good morning. I am gonna try something a little different on my channel. I don't normally do vlogs. I know a lot of people always ask for vlogs, but I feel a little weird vlogging my children, so I'm not really gonna share them too much. It's not like I'm like hiding my kids. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know. I don't really like to show their daily lives, but they end up in clips. Like, I'm not opposed to I'm not gonna hide their face type of thing. This has gotten off to a weird start. But since being postpartum, now, how old are you, Leo? 3.5 months? Something like that? I'm definitely trying to find my rhythm and getting back into just everything in life. And it's a process, and I thought that I would try something new to just kind of get you guys caught up. And honestly, it's what feels most attainable to me. I really want to share a lot of home interior things, but I'll show you in a second. My house is a mess all the time. Oh, it's just random little stuff literally everywhere. Also, I cut my hair. It's not styled right now, and I have no makeup on. And I got my cute, I bought myself a Schrute Farms sweatshirt for Mother's Day. Yeah, so I'll take you through a little of today and just kind of catch you up in what's happening in my life and stuff. Come here, my cute boy. Oh, yes. These little onesie outfits from Solly Baby are so stinking cute and so soft and lightweight. All right. I gotta go change this nugget. So maybe let's call this a clean with me video today, because my house is just in a state, which is not the end of the world, but it just drives me crazy sometimes. So we must clean a little. Nursing break. Theo's getting a little squawky over there, so the dishes will wait. That's okay. I thought I'd share, I probably have shared this in previous videos, but this is my favorite cleaner. Branch Basics. They sent me one a really long time ago now, and now I religiously buy it and use it for everything in our house. It's in my hand soap container next to the sink. I use it to spot treat my kids' clothes. I use it to clean all the countertops, windows, bathrooms, toilets, literally everything. It's great. I just have the one cleaner, and you just mix it up in different ratios, and it's awesome. I love it. So if you're looking for a clean, non-toxic, ooh, it's really sunny, cleaner, this is what I recommend. They also have this oxygen boost stuff that I use in my, what do you call it? Oh God, I'm losing my brain. Laundry. And it's good for spot treatments, keeping things white. And then I also use it to scrub things like my sink or sometimes my toilets and showers and bathtubs and stuff. So yeah, that's just a random tidbit I thought I'd share. I also have a bunch of stuff in my car to bring to the Goodwill, as well as these 2 boxes. And we recently traveled and with some friends, and they borrowed this, and I need to wash the sheet and stuff inside. And it's messy over there, and there's a serious laundry mountain upstairs. But this little kiddo needs his mama. Hi, little bean. Oh, little squirm. I'm a little squirm. I do have something super exciting to share, that my sister and I launched a podcast. So it just launched like 2 weeks ago, and we have 3 episodes up right now. So you can go to the link in the description below to listen to our podcast. But it's essentially just me and my sister like chatting about things. The first one is kind of just an intro, funny childhood stories about us. And then the second one is capsule wardrobes, like our experience with them, and then kind of like why we don't do them anymore. And then our most recent one was our like baby products, like expensive baby products that are worth the splurge that we think. And then we have a couple more coming out, like our destination weddings, how we plan them, all the details behind that if you're into that. And what else did we, oh, and we also filmed our birth stories and shared our birth stories because my sister and I both just had babies like 3 weeks apart. And those are all coming up, plus more stuff in the future. But it's just kind of talking about like life experiences and things that we're into and sharing our thoughts on those and just, I don't know, chatty. I just like podcasts like that where you just feel like you're like hanging out with a friend. And it's nice because I don't need to get ready. Not that I get ready for YouTube apparently anymore. But it's just a fun, different way to just go more in depth on a topic because the episodes are between like 20 and 40 minutes or so long. So yeah, go take a look and listen. And if you like it, I would love it if you subscribe to our podcast and gave us a review in Apple Podcasts. That would be awesome and help us out a ton. And share it on social and stuff like that. So yeah. All right, I gotta clean up our floors. You know when it's like, I would rather wear slippers or like my shoes in my house because my floors are sticky? That's what my kitchen's like right now.